All right. Chapter 5, Section 3. Circumcenter of a triangle. Let's read what this is first before we go on. Come on. No. If you construct the perpendicular bisectors of three sides of a triangle, and listen up, and if the constructed segments will all intersect at one point, this point is concurrency is known as the circumcenter of a triangle. It's really the center of the triangle. We can find the center of a triangle. Or center of a circle, I'm sorry, center of a circle. So that's really what we're doing. We're trying to find the center of a circle. We're given a circle. I know you guys are going to give me a hard time about drawing a circle. Let's see if I can do it right. I think that's pretty darn good. No, that's good. That'll work. Okay, I'm going to take 3 points on this circle. And it doesn't matter where it is. I can take 3 points wherever I want on this circle and draw my lines. And draw my lines to make a triangle inside a circle. What I'm going to do is I'm going to take and I'm going to bisect these each side. So I'm going to take the middle points of each side. And then I'm going to draw a perpendicular bisector off it. So I'm going to make this a perpendicular line off of this one. It's probably going to be something like that. So let's say that's perpendicular. This is going to be more down here. That's perpendicular. And this one here will go like that. And that right there would be the center of your circle. That's the start. Now just call me Mr. G. You don't have to add the God in there. Just call me Mr. G. That's my son. All right. So, do you understand how we can find the center of a circle? They call it the circumcenter because the circumcenter means that we actually constructed where the center is. Heck no. Oh, look what we went and did. Always. Always.
Well, please do. Why you gotta always bring up suicide? Gee, was his name Alex?
No, Zach.
Zach, that's what it was.
All right. So what we're doing on here, I said is the bottom of it, hey?
No, you gotta zoom down.
No, I think, oh.
Put your glasses on, old man.
No more room. It is the bottom. It's the bottom, okay? You're gonna have to find circumcenter for each triangle.
That is hilarious.
Not at all. All right. You jump up here, because this is gonna help you with that. We're gonna first construct perpendicular bisectors out of this. So if I created my perpendicular bisector at here, we know it's at 2 bisects. We know it's at 2. It bisects. If we can find 2 of them, do you think we got the third? Yeah, we don't need to do the third. If we have 2 of them where they intersect, we've got it. So we know that this would be the center point. That would be your center of your circle if you were to draw a circle around this thing here using those points. You don't need to. All right, what you need to do on this is the same thing. You need to find your center. So it's 3, and this is 2, so it'd be right here. All right, that would be your center. Okay, finding the. I'm thinking. Now, on these 3, you're going to have to take a graph, plot these points, and find the circumcenter on that one. They already have it plotted for you here. Here you have to do it yourself. Take a look at the next page. I know there's lots and lots of problems on this one.
I'm not joking. You look really good today, Stevie. You said your Wheaties today or protein? What's up?
Special K with strawberries.
The woman.
All right. So here's what we know. Here's what we know about triangles. Here's what we know about triangles. If we're finding the circumcenter, the center here, we're really finding the radius of the circle, aren't we? All right. So this is going to be your radius. They're going to equal each other. If this is a radius here, this is a radius, then these two should equal each other. This one should equal it also. Notice what they did on this one. They took the triangle and they built the triangle outside of the circle. All right? This is called an in-center triangle, which means, let's do our circle again. Actually, let's do our circle again. And they said, well, I'm going to make a triangle going up like this. I'm going to come like this here, and I will go from here to here. That's not bad. So here's a point, here's a point, here's a point. They did their perpendicular bisectors off it. Okay, and they found their center of circle. Same thing as what they did before, except now they put the triangle on the outside. That's what you're doing on this one here. You are so weird. Yeah, I think you can do all of them today. So if you know, yeah, that's true. If you know that these are equal, then you set these equal to each other. What's x in this one? 14. Set 2x equal to 5x minus 6. That's how easy it is. Never. All right? All right. All right. All right. All whiz. All whiz. All right. There you go. That's your assignment. Get her done. Done.